heading to US market this year, 2020. So we have been BATF approved for importation, and Lancer Systems would be the exclusive distributor for us.
And that's really exciting for those of you who know about the Laugo Alien, but for those of you who don't know what the Alien is, Andre, tell us about it.
Well, it's a revolutionary new pistol. We have 5 patents on it. It is the lowest bore axis in the world in any other pistol in animal. There is a very special slide. The iron sights are not moving, so you are still focused on the target. As a result, there is almost no angle on the recoil angle, so no muzzle flip, and you are very fast and you are very accurate. The barrel is fixed to the frame, so it's not moving, it's not tilting like on Browning systems. So yeah, it's very fast, very accurate.
Yeah, so it's a little bit almost like how the Chiappa Rhino did, where they drop the barrel down where it's firing out of.
Yeah, well, basically it is the same, because we've lowered the barrel like 3 centimeters, more than 1 inch.
Right, which is insane. I mean, how did you accomplish that? How do you make that work?
Well, it's all in Jano's head. Jano is the chief designer, and he worked on that for how many years? Kolik let si na to měl? You are still focused on the target. As a result, there is almost no angle on the recoil angle, so no muzzle flip, and you are very fast and you are very accurate. The barrel is fixed to the frame, so it's not moving, it's not tilting like on Browning systems. So yeah, it's very fast, very accurate.
Yeah, so it's a little bit almost like how the Chiappa Rhino did, where they drop the barrel down where it's firing out of.
Yeah, well, basically it is the same, because we've lowered the barrel like 3 centimeters, more than 1 inch.
Right, which is insane. I mean, how did you accomplish that? How do you make that work?
Well, it's all in Jano's head. Jano is the chief designer, and he worked on that for how many years? Kolik let si na to měl? 5 years. And before that, the raw idea was there from 2001 or something.
Yeah.
And Jano, how did you accomplish that? How did you make this work? Because it's never been done before, truly.
Jak jsi to dokázal? To nikdo nedokázal.
No, bylo to jako další cesta a postupným.
Věděl o všech fyzikálních zákonech, který slouží k tomu, aby se líp střílelo, a díky tomu, že měl dost času a odešel ze CZ, tak se zavřel na 3 roky doma a dával ty věci dohromady.
Yeah, what Daniel said, it's basically Jano has a lot of experience from this industry. He made a Scorpion Evo 3, which is now sold by CZ, and in 2013 he left the CZ, locked himself in a house, in home, and he was just thinking how to put all the physics together and to make it happen.
So he knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
So how long ago was that when he first said, look, I'm going to make this work. I'm going to make this ultra low bore axis happen?
Když si poprvé si řekl, že to bude prostě ten ultra nízký?
Ta idea ma napadla ještě nějak v roku 2004-2005.
So the basic idea was from 2004 to make it ultra low.
Já jsem pracoval ještě na jedné pistoli s dopředním pohybem hlavně, a od toho jsem vlastně odvodnil tu stavbu.
So he was thinking about a slightly different pistol with some barrel movement to the forward for braking the system, and then he came out with this idea to make it ultra low for better recoil management, for better muzzle flip.
Vlastně na ergonomiu jsem převzal do toho systému nového, ale klasického poňatia.
So and then
závěr dozadu. No.
And then he came with the ergonomics from the previous idea and put it all together into one piece.
So it all started 2004. You have the idea, and when did the first working copy? When was it produced?
Kdy jsi měl první funkční vzorek?
První funkční vzorek byl nějak 2004, ale byly tam jako jiný odpalovací systém, takže nedá se to pokládat za úplně první vzorek. První vzorek byl v roku 2015.
So the first functional Alien, as you see it now, was in 2015. And before that, there were some tries and some functional pistols, which featured just one of the features, not all of them in one package.
The system was be finishing on the 2015, and after then we working about the design, about the ergonomy of the gun, about the mag, because this was be very hard question is about the mag, because normally when you have a barrel upstairs, you have a longer mag and the different UL.
12.
Ankle.
and the different ankle for our magazine, because when you see, here's the barrel, and when you're opening the gun, I show you in the moment.
That's incredible. I can't believe it. I mean, just seeing it, like, I can't believe it. It makes sense when you see the recoil system and how it rides over the barrel. It makes sense, but I just can't believe it's real. Well, let's talk about the importation. So the big news here isn't necessarily the pistol itself, because we've all seen the pistol for a few years. It's the fact that it's being imported, and what I like, it's by a company that we all know and trust already, Lancer. How did you guys get hooked up with that, Richard?
Believe it or not, it was just happened by chance. I was sitting at my desk, phone rings, I got a call from Andre, who said that he had an opportunity, that he was looking to bring a very innovative, unique firearm to the United States. Would I be interested in speaking with him about that? And the rest is history. The thing that was really exciting for us at Lancer is we see a lot of synergies between our business and our overall philosophy, and the philosophy of the team at Laugo, because these guys are focused 100% on quality, innovation, and performance. And when you get a chance to shoot in just a few minutes, you're going to see that. I think you're going to be really impressed with the performance of the gun.
The two most important questions of SHOT Show, year after year after year, are price, availability. When's it going to come out? How much is it going to cost?
Okay, so we anticipate availability actually shipping to our customers roughly around April 1st. The cost to consumer at this point for this product is $5,000. So the way that this is working, James, and we're excited about this also, when Laugo first introduced the pistol, we started conversations with them. There was going to be a 500-piece run that was going to be available to customers, consumers throughout the world. By the time we actually got a firearm to be able to submit to the BATF for approval for importation, those 500 pieces had already sold in Europe. So we went back to the guys at Laugo and said, look, we love the technology, we love the product, we really want to offer something special to consumers in the United States. Let's add some additional value to this product. We came to them with the idea of having a collector's signature edition. So what the guys at Laugo decided to do is build this gun for us. It's signed by the designer, Jan Lachansky, comes as a special package, and they've agreed that Jan will never sign another pistol ever again going forward, and they've got a lot of new product in the pipeline as well. So we're really excited about that. It really is a collector's edition firearm.
I think everybody's going to be really pumped about the Laugo Alien finally coming to the United States. Richard, thank you so much for having us.
James, thank you. Pleasure.
Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2020.